Hello, and welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to hide forum emails in the label list on Gmail on a PC with the new update. Let's get started. Step 1. Open gmail.com on your PC. Step 2. From the top bar, click on the gear icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Click on See All Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Navigate to the Labels section in the Settings menu. Step 5. Scroll through the list of labels until you find the one labeled Forums. Click on it to expand the options. Now you will see an option to hide the label for Forums. Click on this option to make the forum emails disappear from your label list in Gmail. And there you have it. You have successfully hidden forum emails in the label list on Gmail on your PC. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful. Please like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. See you next time.